my name is Gabriella, and today we're going to be reviewing how to use a mini Singer sewing machine. So, here's our sewing machine, and it's pretty cool. So we can unwrap this stuff right here. And this is cool because there's like a foot pedal, and right here it's like where you make the stuff, and in the box you're gonna see instructions. These are very important. Don't lose them because it tells you how to use it. And yeah, so we can get on to the stuff. So I wanted to show you this example of this bag that I made, and I already use this because if I didn't know how to use it, I wouldn't know how to show you guys. And I'll show you all the materials that you need. So this is a yellow plastic needle, and this is a like a
needle
threader, and this is measuring tape. So first what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to use this needle threader, and as you'll see on the sewing machine, there's, if you like this button right here, if you lift it to the top, this thing is gonna go up, and on the back right here, if you twist it this way, the needle right there inside, it's going to go up and down, and here you gotta lower the needle, and with your needle threader, you will need to put this sharp, the point of it, inside like this little hole, really close to the needle. And let's go ahead and fit the needle threader inside. It takes a little while, so be patient. Inside the hole of the needle, and as you see here, there's string if you need it. And I have this pink string, and with your plastic needle, there's a hole, and you're gonna put the string inside the hole. You can pull the rest out. It's pretty tricky because the string is very skinny. There. Now I finally got it in. As you see on the needle threader, there's like a hole in between it, and you're gonna have to put the plastic needle through it. And then what you're gonna have to do is there's like a little hole right there, and sometimes the string will come out like it just did, so be careful. And now I got it back in. We can put this through the hole that I showed you right there, get it out through the other side. I don't know, but the string keeps coming out sometimes. It's hard, I know, but sometimes it's hard, and you just gotta face forward if you want to use a sewing machine. It's very hard, I know. And then you have to pull this out of the needle. Pull it out very carefully. You got it out, finally. And the string that's pulling out, you're gonna have to twist it all the way into the back. Make sure when you're sewing, it doesn't get stuck right there in the hole. Now I'm going to be using the sewing machine and I'm going to show you. Something you need that doesn't come with the sewing machine, if you're out of fabric, you need another piece of fabric. And another thing that doesn't come with the sewing machine that you really need to have beside you is a scissor. Here we go. So I'm going to use the piece of fabric. I want to make another purse. So first we're going to have to do it right here and right here. And let's get started. Make sure when it gets stuck, you have to fix it up. When we turn it around, there is string hanging out. Make sure you don't cut it all because you need to cut just a bit of it so it hangs out like this. Here we go. Now we can use the other side, but before we do all that, we have to get our fabric inside the sewing section. So we have to hire this all the way up, and we have to spin this so the needle gets up and this can fit through it. Sometimes your string will get stuck, and you can use your plastic needle to mix it up and pull it out. And then you have to spin it back right there. And now we can do the next side. Here we go. And make sure when you're not using your sewing machine, you don't press on the foot pedal. And whenever you press on the foot pedal, it's going to be working, but only when this little handle is down. When it's like high, it will like mess it up and it will break if you do it a lot. So let's go on the second side. There we go. Now the extra string is out. We can cut it. Remember, it has to be a little bit off. And now it's closed down here because it's already folded. Now up here, it's a bag. And we have this strip and we can measure it with our measuring tape and we can make a handle. So first we have to think about and decide what this is gonna be for. I think this can be like a bag for your dolls or for your My Life dolls. And I will be cutting the string. And first we have to unwrap all our measuring tape. It's pretty hard, so you might want to use your scissor. Like I said, you have to have a scissor next to you. There, I cut the tape open and now we have to get it off the measuring tape. There it goes. It's coming apart. Last time I used this, it was about 1 all the way to this 30 right there. So we can place this on your table and we can also get your string and put it on top of it and reach it all the way to 30. Now, if you lose the 30, make sure you don't lose it and you have to find it. There it is. You can place it on 30. Stretch this out. Make sure you're always holding it. And you need a scissor. So you can attach it to this. Get your scissor and you can cut your strip. I already took it off because I already measured it and I know how much to cut off. So we can go ahead and cut it off. It's pretty hard because maybe your scissors are not the best. Maybe they are working for you. We can keep cutting and it'll work. We always need to practice. If you don't practice, you won't get better. Like on my shirt that I'm wearing today, it says to-do list, practice, play, win. And whenever you practice, you're gonna get better at that same thing that you're doing. There, we cut it, we finished. Now what we're gonna have to do with our bag and our strip, I wanted to do one handle so it looks cool. What we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to go from this side all the way down to there, but with our strip holding it. I'm gonna put it about right here. So here we go. When you finish that strip, you might wanna hold it still and let go of your foot pedal so you can get ready to put the other side. We can start with the first one now. Whoopsie, I forgot to put it down. There, now we can stop and we can take the other part of the strip and now we can put it down. We can try to get it really close and get together. Like we said, we need some string to hang out, so let's cut it off. And here's our lovely little bag. Thanks for watching, and you can subscribe if you like it or not. And before we stop, we have one more thing to do. We can get our box, and I can show you some other examples of what I made. So what I made is I made this cool pencil case, and it's really cool. It's made out of this like really cool skinny fabric. And I put one paper clip, these clips, and 3 pencils.